Hi there. My name is Robert, and in this video I'm going to show you a few tricks and tips that will help you use MachiningCloud like a pro. Using the right tactics, you can quickly source the parts and supplies that fit your needs without having to waste time. Let's get started. Welcome to MachiningCloud, the ultimate destination for browsing and discovering a wide range of cutting-edge machining products. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, MachiningCloud has everything you need to elevate your machining game. MachiningCloud's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through an extensive collection of machining products. Explore categories like cutting tools, tool holders, work holding, and more. It's all at your fingertips. Each product listing provides detailed information, including specifications, performance data, and even 3D models. You can visualize the product from every angle, ensuring it's the perfect fit for your machining needs. So, whether you're a programmer, machinist, engineer, or someone passionate about precision, MachiningCloud is your go-to destination for browsing and discovering top-notch machining products. Start exploring today and elevate your machining game like never before.